Alright, and we also have $50 as well from the Sunrise team, Florida.
Thank you, Sunrise team. May God bless you, my Sunrise team family.
Come on, steps in, man.
Alright, so this is 15,000 from country, you know, from Bronx. So Grace, I make a count it. It says 15,000 from...
You collect your...
Yeah.
Okay, so we receive a reach here from a man named Wayne.
From Wayne, yeah.
Wayne.
From the USA.
From the USA. Okay, yeah, we receive. I heard and I receive it for Patrick. Wow.
My friend. What you tell him? Why you watch a boy go for them? You blow from here and I say, yo, Keen, we see your pancake, Keen. You can't remember me, Keen, we say, no.
This is the mix bowl. So you name all the health inside of this. One go.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Guys, it look like a car catch a fire. A car. Wow, right there. There's a car that caught on fire. It looks, yeah. I hope no one got hurt. Damn, so. So I guess I have to turn back around. Got the police block out the road now. There the fireman up trying to get the fire out. Wow. Basically the car caught on fire. So you know, hopefully no one got hurt. You know, it don't seem like anyone got hurt still. So you know, some of these vehicles that they're making as well too. So my apology guys. Welcome to Kino Life in Jamaica. I hope you're having a wonderful day anywhere you are. You know, that situation kind of looks sad, you know, with that person losing their vehicle, but I'm glad no one lost their life, because it doesn't seem like that. A vehicle catch on fire, so police turn there. No, they block it off. No, I turn back.
Oh, it does something.
Well, it seems like it. If you go, they're going to say block off.
Okay. Police on fire over there.
Yeah man, the police block the road.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's basically someone want to go that direction, but it block off. So the police just block it off. Imagine that, man. So something, you know, happened to cause that car to catch a fire. You know, so that probably happened while they're driving, and some fire does, some smoke start to come out the body, something, and then now everything just start to blaze. You know, that's what happened in most of the case. Wow, so I'm glad no one's hurt. Yes, so it's a wonderful day. It's a wonderful day today. You know, the sun is out. You know, we got no rain, sunshine, nice. So yes, guys, so put the thumbs up whenever you're watching. You know, it's such a blessing. You're doing the right thing. We're not any faker. So on the journey. So I'm gonna head to Spanish Town today. You know, to drop off a donation over there as well. You know, so it's quite early now, and then the reason being this time, hopefully no traffic going into that other side of town, because sometimes there's traffic. So we're praying there's no traffic. So as you can see, the road is smooth now and clear. Everyone's at work, where they ever need to be. So thank you guys for the love, and thank you guys for the love and the support, you know, that I've been getting, you know, keeping it positive, same way. Pothole, let me drop in pothole. Jamaica, the potholes, then the potholes. So, alright guys, so I'll catch you back, so just stay tuned. You know the thing goes already not to make a one stop, and you know where I'm stopping once I say I'm gonna make a one stop at that spot, that right spot, that spot. We all know my spot. I have to make that stop at that spot where them call. You know, I have to make that stop at that spot, and that spot where them call one and only mango tree spot. No, I'm joking. You know, I'm joking. When you see the colors, you know it's Iowa Spice. That spot. I have to make it at that spot. You have to come at that spot. Easy, take it easy. Aye. Easy, take it easy. Me have to come at that. My name is Carl. Yeah. General. Rochelle. Black girl. Oh, she goes. Oh, yeah. See there? So my name is Lead. Yeah. Alright, cool. Yeah.
Big people are watching you.
Yeah.
You never see who are watching your show.
Yeah, true. True.
Look up in there watching that.
They're big people, man.
Big respect to
people. Yeah. Yeah, that's true, man. Yeah. Yeah, true. And them up. Yes. Yeah, true. Yeah, a lot of L's. Yeah.
See a vibes in the life.
True.
You see a man there and say, well, feel on the seat when I'm telling myself that anytime you touch Jamaica.
I have to come here.
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
That's the man do. Roll up on the couch and tell her that
First.
So when you see Kino, tell him to him.
Yeah.
So we're going to hold it in our go.
True. Some blessings, you know. And
Be more.
yes, be more.
So when I say a blessing, say the word in English, you step on it.
Oh,
That don't mean nothing, it's not a
so it's a be more.
When you say be more,
Isis.
Yeah.
Yes.
Be more plus come across to you guys. So I pick up that quick.
Yeah.
Then when we say Isis,
Yeah.
they say a blessing and we say Isis.
Isis.
When I get that, so they say, a be more. They drop that one real quick.
Yeah.
But
So
my language
Isis.
are Isis. We don't give blessing, we give Isis.
True.
Because when we check the word, spell it. B-E-L-E-S-S. B-U-S.
No.
Give me something else.
Be more or Isis.
Library. We're not going to read no book. Got the name wrong.
Got a lie. So true.
I tell you what I'm doing together.
Yeah,
But we as black people feel to see. I want to put it in front of you. Yeah, see.
True.
Yeah, see. I mean, I acknowledge, I analyze
Yeah.
before we move.
Yeah.
I saw these guys that set the trap. You see how dumb he is.
True.
Put it in front of you. And still going to fuck.
Now when I talk about freedom, you must
You must free, but don't speed.
Yes.
Don't take anything. And you're free. No.
And I'm saying must be dumb to get free.
Right, listen.
True.
Check the word.
Yeah.
Them said, them are going to tell us the word sound and power. Most of the words them were used every day now and power to that. So you take up with the more
Yeah.
because say powerless.
Yeah. Righteousness.
Now we check that. Check the word. Word them have some energy when I arrive black people. Then when you go to England, they're not use that word that put up.
No.
We in Caribbean, you know.
Yeah. Sure.
The first place they want to become the last place. That kind of word.
Can't work.
Righteous.
I want, man.
Alright.
I need a
Small cup.
chocolate and the busy and the press plant. So yeah, I definitely need a squeak. So this is what I'm talking about, guys. The squeak. You need to try the chocolate and busy. The chocolate and busy. You don't try that yet? You need to try that, bro. No man, it's a tea. Chocolate and busy. Aye. Hello. Yeah. Need the chocolate and busy. You know, I'm busy already. And the chocolate, trust me, to try that.
Fire!
Hello? Fire. Empress.
No, fire.
Fire. Ibo called you. Ibo is calling you.
Okay, I'm on my way out.
Ibo.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, man. Everything's full of peace.
Peace.
Yeah.
Peace. Guys, so I'm gonna get the chocolate and busy tea. You know, you have to get the chocolate and busy tea whenever you come here. You know, it's a must. Yeah, they're here, man. You know, pick up yourself, man. Chocolate and busy tea right now, and square and some press planting.
Yeah.
Quick, you know. Start off the day, right? These are the pumpkin seed, guys. Trust me. When you eat the pumpkin seed, it tastes like you're eating popcorn. It's a popcorn taste. Yeah. When you eat the pumpkin seed, it tastes like you're eating popcorn. Yeah. It's a popcorn taste, you know. Yeah. Come on. Got that taste. So whenever you eat something, you must feel something. Alright. And a squeak, Squeak as well. This is it, guys, with chocolate and busy. Have to come here and try that chocolate and busy whenever you get here, trust me. And the squeak, fresh platinum as well. So this is the squeak, not cake, we call it squeak. So this we know with no sugar, no, everything is just vital, it's just vital, natural. This is chocolate and busy. Nothing like that. Nothing. Almonds, everything, walnuts, you name it. So good.
Yeah, that's alright.
Is that English drink tea? Yeah, these are the Pelenta burger. So it's not only the breadfruit burger only. You got the Pelenta burger. Remember I did show you earlier when I tried it. It's so good. The Pelenta burger. Guys, it's made of cornmeal as well too, with everything inside it. Straight. If you want more iron, you try the Pelenta burger. You feel that iron, that energy. Yeah. You never said that one yet? This. It alone almost 6. Sauce change. Okay. That's
Marberry.
tamarind, the chutney.
Yes, right.
Yeah.
That's a tamarind, but that's Marberry today. So we have to get a pineapple pepper jelly.
Yeah.
But Marberry start running again now. And sometimes we change it, the pepper jelly from pineapple, Marberry, and strawberry. But
Yeah.
now we can look at strawberry from berry.
Oh.
Berry, what is the whole of them there?
Yeah.
Marberry start come from one again now.
Yeah. Marberry.
Yeah. So that's strawberry, strawberry, and strawberry.
Mulberry. Oh, mulberry. You're strong, man. You're strong. You're eating good food, that's why you're strong. I was spice food.
Yeah. I've never been here before, so.
First time?
5th time in Jamaica, but first time here.
Here.
How you doing?
It's the best.
Nice. Yeah, that's good.
It's the best. And you could try this.
What's that?
It's called squake cake, but they call it squake.
Okay.
Nice.
Nice.
So nice.
What do you have for lunch right now?
Everything.
Everything?
Good. It's like you get everything in the box.
Okay, it's like a mixed vegetable kind of thing? Nice.
So good.
Oh, wow. Yeah, but it's it.
I know everything though. Yeah. General.
Everybody's
Oh, Mama River, up Garden Town Road.
Where's the one that's smoothie?
What's smoothie? You know it?
But it look nice, though.
You have to be nice, man.
Yeah, make it now, yeah.
Green one. Yeah. watch every day them already, you know, but on my TV.
Oh, yeah, up on TV, I watch them. You see them? I know we meet in a real life.
Man, big up
Big up yourself, big up. Finally meet in a real life, you know?
Coach, you're the man said, you're from there and here. Yeah, my friend. What me tell him?
Yeah.
Man, you watch a boy go up and tell him. You blow from me yard and say, yo, Keen, we see your man, Keen. You can't remember me, Keen. We say, no. You're sorry, man.
Kino.
Oh, we say, man. This man, the man coming up.
Kino again.
The man come and Keen, I'm saying, no. Man come first. Yeah, man. Keen, one come. Yeah, man. See me again.
Yeah.
See me again.
Aye, but they must search for the healthy food, you know? People that want the healthy food, man.
Big people. Keen. Yeah, man, me, Keen,
I don't know what it is.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna come take a seat in the yard. Well cool. The yard is so peaceful and nice, so trust me. I wanna thank each and every one that come and gives everybody support. You know what? Not only support but supporting yourself eating the healthy food, you know. I thank you so much, you know, to come and support yourself eating healthy. You know, it's the best way, trust me. It is the right way. And right now I'm really enjoying my short and busy with my square and some green pressed plantain. And you know, this is all fried in coconut oil also. Everything is just natural and high type, you know. Oh, good. Hello. What's up? You okay? You don't eat this, right? This is plantain. Sorry. Even though. You okay? Hello. Oh, yeah, you know, you can't eat it, plantain. What? And these puppy eat proper puppy chow in here. You know? I will give them puppy chow. So this is the yard when you come in here, boy. Nice. Come, relax, and eat the food. So you see, come here, yeah, have a seat, relax, take in the tranquility and the breeze, and you're good. Nice. As I was saying, I want to thank each and everyone that passed through I was biased. You know, thank you guys so much for giving the support. You know, thank you guys supporting your health as well to eat right. You know, you have to eat right all the time. Eating right is the way of life. Because no matter if you don't have the health, what's the point of the wealth? Huh? You got inside. See that the dog want for plantain. Want plantain? Plantain? Here. You safe it eat. But I guess he's eating the plantain, you know?
I don't know tambourine.
Yeah.
Jamaican local tambourine.
Sure. You know, probably some of them are watching now. I know what happened. Them
Them
jawbone. Them are all them
No, but
jawbone.
you know, some me shake it off your son and tell you the truth. Jawbone.
I heard already.
Oh man, I'm going to sample one man come like you know.
Yes, man. Looking at the tambourine, guys, I can bet say jawbone on earth right now. So you're gonna make tambourine juice?
Yeah, man, I make some tambourine.
Wow.
Ever drink the tambourine and pint?
No.
Well, yeah, man, tambourine and pint, man.
Never tried that. Never tried
Never
that.
tried that one.
No, I never could
Right,
make
be a sample juice, make the portal.
Yeah. I was telling about the herbal aid.
Herbal, be a sample juice.
With the fever grass and the vervine, right?
Yeah, blue vervine.
Blue vervine.
Lemongrass, otherwise known as fever grass.
Yeah, lemongrass. No one has. And this drink exactly like you're drinking lemonade. You know, but with a better
But you know,
taste.
call the one for the man them though. They are the goat meat.
And and go with inside as well? What? So guys, you know what? I miss out that part there.
Yeah, miss out there, yeah, man.
I never know the iron goat weed inside it as well.
Ram,
So.
otherwise known as ram goat dash along. Yeah, man.
Ram goat dash along.
Yeah.
Dash along.
I know when you drink that.
Trouble.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm open mind quick and fast. You hear that, guys? And so when you drink this. Hey, them so when you drink that one, you dash along. Yes, though. So you hear that, gentlemen? This have the iron goat weed, the vervine, the lemongrass known as the fever grass, and the iron goat weed. You see me? Trust me. So this, trust me, is so good. Let me open it. Alright, here you go. You got your smoothie? Yeah. Ah, good man, he's got his smoothie. Here you go. Wow. Trust me, this cool you right down, cool you down, cool you. So it's gonna be the tambourine here and the pine over here. So it's gonna be tambourine and pine. Beautiful pine. I need to come get a bottle of that one. Tambourine and pine. Definitely need to come get a bottle of that one. I imagine I got a top like this one now, senior DNA in Jamaica. Yeah. No joke, it's senior DNA. Let me see your ball. Yeah. Show them your ball. They know it's no joke. See them? Guys, so this is the mixed ball. So you name all the health inside of this. One go. So you tell me what you can see. Just like that. That's called life. That is life you're looking at right here. That's all life food. Right here, all life food right here. So living food, it's not dead, it's alive. You know, that's the real. So you know when you come to Jamaica, you have to come here at Ibos Park to come get the living food, life. You know, I remember the address is 131 Orange Street. So it's up Orange Street. I know you have Orange Street. It's downtown, right? But you have up Orange Street, not downtown, but up. You know, so Orange Street run all the way into downtown, you know, so it's one long street. So you can come up Orange Street, and when you're coming up Orange Street, it's right on your left hand side. So it's 131 Orange Street. You cannot miss it, you know. And a lot of people have find it so far, you know. Them say as soon as they come off the plane, Ibos Spice. As soon as they get off the plane, just put it in your GPS. 131 Orange Street, Ibos Spice. You can't miss it, you know. Can't miss it. That should be the first thing in your system as you reach Jamaica. That energy food. Come get the energy juice them. Irish mass, the sea mass, you name it. Everything else, come and get it. So I feel energized right now. You know, especially the busy and the chocolatey. I don't know, it's giving some different, make it feel some different type of way. I don't know, like it give you energy. It just boosts your system. You know, whenever I drink it,
seriously, whenever I drink that busy and chocolate tea, just give me some different type of feelings for the day. You know, I'm not even lying. So, guys, I'm going to head out now, head into Trenchtown, pick up the wheelchair, you know, and then head into Spanish Town. So from one town to the next town. No, I'm moving from 3 towns. Downtown, Orange Street, then we're heading to Trenchtown, then heading to Spanish Town. So I'm going through the towns. So talking about the town today. Yes, town. Take a seat. Now move, you know.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
Sit there.
Manners in them.
Manners, right? Yeah. More life, you know. I'm going to run here. Alright, general. Oh, third. You got to pay that bill, yeah. Alright, guys, so I'm going to pay this bill and then head out, you know. Uncle, big up yourself. You're drinking the chocolate and busy?
Yeah.
Alright, that is the way, man. That is the way. Aye.
The food, man.
Guys have everything in it.
Yeah.
Cheers. And you know, make sense. Yeah, good for everything in your body. Alright, respect, man, yeah? Respect. Yeah. Alright then. I got drop off on wheelchair.
Go and do the good works, man.
Yes, man. He go. Yeah. That's how I keep it positive. My channel must keep it positive. I never hear nobody swearing on my thing. Keep it positive. But big people, man. No. Sure. No. Elders. Yeah, man. And them want the healthy stuff. Yeah, man. Boys. Yes, sir. More life. Alright. Yes, guys. So, heading out, you know. So, you know the thing goes already. So, I will bless me. It's a key that is on the house, man. Don't worry yourself. It's not the first thing bless me. It's a key that's on the house. You know, so, I just again, guys. You know, the portal 131. I was right. Hold up, my general. There you go. Listen. Hold on. Run out of breath. Wipe off your mouth.
Yeah, run out of it. I'm gonna start singing.
I wait I eat you wiping off your mouth. Wrong thing that. Jackson tell the man. Come no run out of breath, man.
Run out of breath. Kino jar down and everybody stop smoke.
Yes.
Cigarette.
Yeah, and weed. Stop it.
Drink Hennessy.
Yeah.
Start living.
Stop smoke and start eat more. How about them?
Donuts, them.
No. Come on, I jump off and reach here at Spanish Town. Go there? Yeah. Man. Go on. Short boom on him phone now. Light parks. We have some light parks in the building.
Yeah.
Step out there, sir.
Life are good.
Yeah. Life was good.
Again.
Christmas again.
Kino, man. Christmas again, man.
Hey.
Yeah, man. See that?
Yeah. Life was good. I hope for your size.
Yeah, man. From the street of my size, man. Come like your name is size.
Alright. See you next one there. Life was goodies.
Yes, Kino.
Jeez.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, I hear that, man. Actually, you know, the guy's life park wasn't here, so I make sure I put on his goodies, you know.
Yeah.
You have taps in there, you have your all of tap in there as well, too, you know.
Yeah.
You have the all of tap, and you have even that all of jeans jacket.
Yeah, man. See that? I love, you know.
Yeah,
More
yes,
love,
sir.
you know.
Yeah.
Love every time, you know. One team, dream team, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Kino big up every time, man. All I do to them, everybody.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. The sponsor them. More
Sandra,
love,
big up Sandra as well, too.
One team, man.
Yeah, man. Corey Eats.
Corey Eats.
Yes. And
Alright,
Corey, yeah, man.
love.
The whole team.
Yeah,
Jean jacket, I choose him, I said, this will fit like it.
Yeah. See there, I love, man. I want love, man. Yes,
man.
love, man. Give thanks to everybody, man. You're seeing praises, yeah.
I hate, man. I hate, man. That this me like most in the yard. That's right, and a bag. You with that. Alright. The guy says, so I just touched down in Church Town. So you know the thing goes, so I'm going to drop off a wheelchair now in Spanish Town.
I have a Spanish tone.
Yeah.
I want to put it in.
I'll go wipe it off first. I'll pick out one of them. I'll pick that one. Yeah. Empty. Yeah. I don't see that. Alright guys, so we just reached here in Spanish Town, so we leave downtown, went to Trench Town, now we're in Spanish Town. You know, to drop out the wheelchair as well to also have a donation from Gracie. So, you know, we got Rasta Jackson here, we got Boom, we got Esther, we got the Wow Chef. Yes, sir.
Can't be still in, I'll let you come out. While you can't be still, man.
Yeah, a long time I don't come out for here.
Yeah, that me I say.
Yeah, long time. Happy New Year though. Esther, shout out Grace in there. Gracie! I do it, what?
No, that's what we are just going to first. Let's start this first. Come on, you doing it, son?
Okay, now.
How come, General?
Yes.
Are the husband this? Oh, me I come take away your woman today, you know.
Well, I say, I have a share.
Have a share?
Yes.
Hello. How you doing?
I'm fine.
Happy New Year. High five. High five. I'm there, man. All is well? I always give God thanks. Yes, I. How is school?
Good.
Wipe off your mouth here. You like eat food?
Yeah.
Oh, you never leave any for me?
I have food in there.
You leave some in there? So can I have some? Are you going to save it for later?
That's there. Yes.
My husband Kino.
I just met him a while ago. I tell him.
Yes.
He said he said he will share.
Share, man.
How you put on your food?
I have something one herbal. Doctor help me out with enough. We cayenne pan, they put some cayenne pepper. Olive oil said they safely can bring the blood to circulate. So, tight on and you can't set up so it give me a terrible time with me.
Oh, when the sun gone in. So cayenne pepper and what?
Cayenne pepper and the olive oil. I want to get get some, you call it Lord Jesus have mercy. Where you want I not make my name?
Castor oil?
Yeah, the castor oil I want to get, but I can't afford it. Expensive, but I can use. Them swell up, man, can't hardly. Them black body, you know, they worse how you left them. When I tell them I fresh on him, I say probably me good to lose them. Because them do me bad.
So how long now you put that on?
I probably me do it, man, but me can't hardly do it. Me tell my husband they pay me do it, me can't do it. If you do every day.
Oh. So you feel any different?
Yeah, me to work, but it's expensive, you know. I'm a church family, it's very much expensive. We buy the stuff them. The gauze and everything we wrap it and we buy it. And the castor oil, because you see the castor oil now, the castor oil move up, melt up the blood. The thing out of the blood and make it work back.
Oh.
But me can't afford it, so me I try the olive oil.
Oh.
So I could get any castor oil. It a burn, yes, but after a while it give me me can't see, but night time in peace, you know.
Oh, it pain, you know.
Pain me bad. I say like how the time set up, so.
Yeah.
It a pain me bad. I'm here to Charles in the hospital.
Charles, eh? I can see them. At least, to donation for one as well, too.
Okay. Me watch you enjoy yourself, man, over so.
Yeah.
Happy for you.
Yes.
But how we lose the weight, man, if we could not lose the weight, that's mercy. I wish we could not lose the weight.
Yeah, boy. Yeah. You say she eat too much?
Most.
Your husband say you eat too much?
And that's not true, yeah, not believe him, that's not true, that's not true, lie my tell.
Well, the husband say it, you know, where you say, Ozzy?
That's not true, not true, don't tell a lie. That's not true.
She
I don't love liar, you know?
You know, want exercise.
She don't want exercise.
No, it's a worse than the doctor, them. Let me tell her to exercise. Lord, you're worse than the doctor. I say, alright, you're going to feel the pain in your ball. And she not take her son back, then.
Oh. Ozzy attack.
Listen to me, Ozzy, I tell a lie.
No, me not
listen to me, listen to me. Me take this.
Exercise.
She's not
Listen to me,
exercise.
can't manage to exercise.
Ah, right, you are.
And she not take the sun bath.
No.
You there, I'm there every day, but no, me nice son.
Ah, take his son.
Listen to
She not
me.
take the sun bath.
Land is abomination.
I'm abomination at you.
My God.
I don't lie. I'm truth, great.
Nikisha, me not go out nice son.
No,
Tattoo Tell truth. Tell truth.
No one
Tell
can
truth.
Don't get Nikki Shan. Don't get Nikki Shan involved. Don't get Nikki Shan. It's between you and him.
No, that's not true.
How when you feel like, yeah? When you feel like.
When you feel like, not all the time.
Yeah, can't switch, you know. You ain't gonna switch.
Yeah, she said sometime.
Like,
Yeah.
what did I lie me I tell?
Alright.
Sometimes I can't
And if you
manage.
take sun bath every
But sometimes I can't manage, you know. Sometimes I can't manage, you know.
No, you're here for yourself.
If me not, but me not tell you like, but you say me not do it and I not die.
They don't know how the why you do it, Grace. If you do it every morning, the sun bath and medicine.
Right. So in the day you're a morning time for help her?
You know,
No, me come in at night and go tonight.
it's like if him left here, if him left here like he left here for Monday. Me not see him till Friday or sometime Thursday.
Oh, okay.
And every day the food for wrap, but it's only because my son did not help me wrap it. And the herbal doctor said every day me do it.
Okay.
Every day me must do it.
I understand.
But me I give God thanks, you know, but because I know someday, some way, somehow, God I go work it out for him, but me scared of losing the foot them because the foot them get black or worse.
Yeah, I went to get black, that's not a good sign.
Yeah, that's not a good sign. You got a nice husband.
You say get a nice husband.
In nice in our set, but in the nice in our bank, if in not, they have to know what is what.
Fling the foot them and we get better. When I say foot get better.
You say fling the foot then?
Yes.
I fling them away. Alright, so I got donation phone as well too. And I also got one for Nikisha.
Wow.
Yeah,
You
Nikisha.
laugh.
Got donation for you. Shoulder and shoulder and so Nikisha. You getting shy already? Alright, so let's start with Miss Gracie first then. Since Nikisha gets shy. Stand up then, stand up.
Stand up and accept me until the people in thanks. Whatever you get up and turn on.
Okay. So you got 15,000, right?
Every time when you call, they're going to ask if you take a sun bath. You hear?
Ask her.
Yes, dump on her, just like this.
Okay.
So wash it with it.
Yeah, sun bath.
Yes, man, sun bath and medicine, you know. And medicine, because one lady say I'm medicine, she is sick, because when she started the sun bath, the doctor asked her. Yeah, man, the doctor asked her what she do. And he said the sun bath, the doctor said keep it up and medicine. So anytime you don't call her, ask her if she take the sun bath. War with her to me. Because I can't war with her, I left him up the war.
You want next man to fight your wife for you?
Me no business war with her if you take his sun bath. That's big one.
Sun bath.
I'm medicine. Yeah.
Nikisha.
Oh, can you take some water? I feel going on.
So
Yes,
I got
man,
15,000 for you.
Medicine. Medicine. Even 5 minutes in the sun.
You going to take it and tell the person thank you.
Well, on the Aussie, let me leave it there, Aussie. Alright, so this is 15,000 from country, you know, from Bronx. So Grace, I make you count it. It says 15,000
Collect,
from...
you collect your one. Collect it now? Yours. What you say?
Thank you.
Thank you, country.
Country.
Count the money. Count.
We have enough for
What you mean enough to count? One? Look. You will learn, because you got school. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15.
15,000.
Thank you, country, on the behalf of my granddaughter. May the Lord bless you. And then for that your soul basket may never run dry.
Yes, that's country from Bronx, White Plains Road. So Grace, so I have $50 for you, 50 US here for you from Johnson, from Florida as well too. So this is 50 US. Yeah.
Thank you, Johnson. May the Lord bless you and your store basket may never run dry, my. But whether you're a man or you're a lady, may God bless your store basket may never run dry. You may get enough when you can't pack it can't work. God bless you.
Alright, and we also have $50 as well from the Sunrise team, Florida.
Thank you, Sunrise team. May God bless you, my Sunrise team family. God bless you.
Alright then, so we give thanks to Johnson.
Yes.
and country, and also the Sunrise team.
Yes, thank you all. May God bless you and continue to do what you do best by helping the poor and needy.
Yes, I.
Thank you.
Alright, Nikisha.
Thank you.
What you gonna buy?
Since you got get for lunch money. Going to school for lunch money. Listen to me. You're going to get it with lunch money. Tell us you're going to have lunch at daytime because you have it hard. Sometimes you go to school without lunch.
Alright then. Alright then, Gracie, so hopefully everything can help. If that can help with the food, you know.
Yes, man. Me happy. Me glad.
Herbal way.
Yeah, by God grace, grace, my brother.
Alright then, take care.
Thank you.
Cause I'm gonna bring one wheelchair go get Patrick.
Okay.
Yeah. So we catch up.
Yeah, man. Me say, but I say I get the wheelchair. And me no. Then can't send one of the other one. They put me make the one. Cause the guy would me a bit hard, you know. Nobody helping me.
Yeah.
Yeah, me have having money to pay taxi.
Want your granddaughter?
The big one?
Yeah.
She get broke out her hand and she run her auntie. She get out her hand.
Oh, she get bad.
Yeah, man. She not listen when me.
How old is she?
She have 15.
Yeah. Wow. Alright then, Ozzy.
Okay, sir.
Well, make sure she get the sun bath, yeah?
Alright, yeah.
Alright.
Why have to worry with that?
Alright then.
Yes.
Yeah, man, that's big up, man.
Alright. Yeah, man.
Mommy,
Alright.
take care of me.
Alright, so
Yeah, man.
we give thanks for country, big up yourself country from White Plains Road. You know, thank you for the donation. You know, from Nikisha and also the Sunrise team, you know, thank you as well for the donation from Miss Gracie. And also Johnson as well too. Thank you as well too for the donation from Miss Gracie. So I'm gonna head to see the Blind Brothers, you know, drop off this wheelchair, you know, because the thing is with the wheelchair we got two wheelchair, which is this is one of the out of the two. But the thing is they're short of foot. You know, where you put the foot stand, so that's what it's short of. One of them short of foot stand and this one on the foot stand not able to function into properly. So you know, we got some more wheelchairs to come Jamaica from the Sunrise team. Alright. You know, so we're looking forward for that so we can have more, you know, to give out when we come back. You know, so for this one now it's only got 1 foot, you know, so I guess some foot is missing when it was coming, so with the short and foot. You know, so we're here in Capture Land, Spanish Town. You know. Capture Land where them capture man. Orlando! You hear him? Go on, go.
Go on. Roll it from here. Alright, we come here already.
Yeah, come already?
Yeah, come here. Just like I don't know, you just have to explain it.
Oh. You come over here, we are done.
You want a long time.
And just visitor come to no, visitor.
Patrick Dad.
Oh, Jack and Close, make it Jack and Close.
Jack and Shots, our visitor. Alright.
Thing good?
Yeah.
What go on?
Yes, sir.
You can walk?
Yeah, man, you can hold on and walk. See him there.
Hey, Patrick.
Charles him get worse. I can be carried in hospital 2 weeks ago, you know.
Who, Charles?
Yeah, in the court. But he still not get back as on this day, because he not company van again. In a bed, mainly in there, you know.
That's my 84-year-old, I know.
Enjoy sticky pan.
Macado.
Yeah.
That's him, man.
So the wheelchair have bad state. Rusty out.
Come to Brazilian, take time. Look at the one here, man. Yeah. Look at him, man. Come on, come in, Charles. No. On your foot. Man, your foot.
Put a foot forward.
Man, your foot. Ah. Come on, step to him, man.
Sure.
Sit down, brother. Sit down. More than man. You know, drop man. Sit down now.
I know, and just get up from here so by yourself.
Drop man. Come on.
Yeah.
Next. There's something there.
Yeah.
Man. Oh.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
There's something in the coming boom. Look at the new chair.
Patrick, you're good.
Come on there.
Nick, you see it?
One more football in that person.
Yeah.
You go to Patrick.
You bring it as well too? The two of them?
Yeah, you carry chick.
Yeah. Okay, so one of them can go on now, but the next one, like the shorter one, screw.
Oh, some of that, we find something to put
Yeah, because you wanna, the two of them, somebody pull them down.
Oh, like this, me feel fine.
Think of the nut. Can you see that one here? We try to put on back that one here, but it, the way it was before the person would take it down, they never remember how to pull it back up. And screw the kind of missing as well too.
No. See next one.
So screw the kind of missing as well too.
That means the one I have to go. No.
On the foot here.
Then, yeah.
Yeah, guys, where's it?
Oh, so I want to go on now. Yeah. And the screw it on now. Yeah.
No, I don't say for
I said what?
See this. Let me see that. Next part missing as well. This.
Yeah.
So like how this going on from that.
Guys, question really nice.
Yeah, so something for coming at this. Like how this.
Yeah.
So the screw for the inner so.
Come on, yeah.
But we have a square screw them there. Oh, come here with them Orlando.
Oh, no, the screw come see.
You have a long screw too?
Yeah, I have one.
Yeah, like I have to go.
Put that in the middle there so.
Turn it away.
Turn it away. Yeah, put it turn it so. No, not that so. This. See this?
Safe going in.
Yeah, put this in it. So I said that for go and stay for the time being.
All night again.
Yeah man, the whole man.
The whole is.
Turn on in music a little bit for me there.
Yeah man, can hold man, see that.
But it's shorter and not now. You need an
Best
you need one not for God so.
The screw down there, so me take up.
That's all we get.
Alright, so this we're supposed to can search and find.
Yeah. So this is the other idiot so.
Oh. And one of this.
If we can get a buckle cock and try both.
You see me so. I just put on
Not
this.
them can search and find.
But normally this now with a fix so you can like bring your foot high or bring it up like this, you know.
Oh, but
So-
throw it in a
That's the way how the person pull it down and then now somebody they I tell you.
Nobody's going on there. Oh, what's up?
Yeah,
This I must have did some lock.
yeah. I it for use for like to bring this up.
Oh,
Oh, so maybe you put that in that.
Eh.
So
Oh, yeah, Jesus.
you see? And this now that hold it up,
Yeah.
you know. This need a nut to hold this.
Yeah, not screw on them can feel it, right?
Yeah, me out here so I do something.
So this is to bring it up a little bit. You see me where you can hold it, where it is stuck.
Oh.
So when the person take them on, some of them missing.
Oh.
Yeah, put it in the hole so.
And this is the beach.
See there.
Vamos.
I'm not here, man, but somebody do something now. How are you doing? Pillar?
Put the tune on. That's what I go on.
Team. The Kino always come
Yes,
to
I.
charity.
I'm sick out.
Yeah, me say he no come a veranda again. From him come back.
Jaja.
4 years old. Give something now.
Yeah, man, I can get something, man. I give you something for you.
Eh?
I give your son something for
Say,
you.
man, give me something towards you.
I'm going to tell you, they give me something with you.
Yeah.
You start remember who you talk to now?
You say give me something with you. You give me 10,000. Yeah?
Yeah, man, yeah.
I mean, you don't get 25,000, 10,000 buy it. I still go buy it. And 10 years don't give.
Jaja. You know, man.
10 years don't give me now.
You not give? Him give, man. You don't remember.
Like that, me never hold by no, never buy the give me now.
Alright, Esther.
10 months.
Okay. From Rose. Yeah. So, you know, the wheelchair, yeah? You know, we get some wheelchair. The man named Wayne.
Wayne?
Yeah.
Okay. We receive a wheelchair from a man named Wayne.
From Wayne, yeah.
Wayne.
From the USA.
From the USA. Okay, yeah. We receive. I earlier received it for Patrick. Wow. From Wayne.
Yeah. Hopefully it can help, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, Patrick, we get a wheelchair for you, okay?
You're good.
Yeah.
When murder, may I take you up on murder, man? So them a video it and thing? Yeah.
Alright, the Ireland, so we have 50 US as well too. So you have to get a change from the Sunrise team.
Okay.
You know, for the Blind Brothers. So this is 50 US here.
Okay, so I received 50 US for the Blind Brothers from the Sunrise
team.
Yeah. Much
From
thanks
front.
and respect.
Yeah, man. All good thanks.
Yeah.
Alright then, Patrick.
Take care.
Yeah, man. Take care.
Oh, you take care.
Yeah, man.
Understand?
Yeah, man. You too, man.
Alright.
Yes, sir. Alright.
Alright.
Yeah, Charles, look like it's gonna rain as well.
That's what I drew from even.
Huh?
That's what I drew from.
Alright then, Charles. Later, yeah?
Later.
Yeah, man. Later, yeah? Take care, yeah?
Thank you. This is fair. I give you 10,000.
Yeah, guys, so that's, you know, brothers there, the both of them, for all my new viewers, them, you know, new subscribers, you know, these brothers, they're blind, you know, for years, and one is suffer from, they suffer from glaucoma, you know, and Charles now he's got, I forgot, he's going through dementia, you know. Orlando, what am I going through again, dementia?
I have blood pressure and sometimes I'm forgetful.
Yeah, so I'm like more like dementia, right?
Weekly. You know, because I not sit down up like when usually do. In time I have to catch him on the pillar and he might drop.
Oh,
so I must say in week.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you must suffer from dementia as well because you know, remember stuff and things.
Yeah.
Alzheimer's. But Patrick good?
Yeah, Patrick we talk more sensibly now.
Patrick a sample still, you know.
Yeah, man.
No, man, Patrick, you're good.
Yeah. I'm a clever son.
So, a gunshot to this?
No, and you get that before. He usually sell cashew and peanut on the highway. Out here, so?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I want to vendor them. So, when you get a lick down, I chop the lick, but I don't lick a toddler, so I don't know nothing much. But I understand, say, that.
Oh, chop the lick him down.
Yeah.
So, I caught the dent in your forehead?
Eh?
Yeah.
When you chop the lick, it damage your head.
No, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, like that them operator so is a cut that?
I'm not sure how it go, but me know say Chuck the licking down. Yeah man, a couple of years ago.
When me get shot.
After I get a shot.
So after me get lit down, get shot up as well.
I think that more 2005. I somewhere they say, I don't remember exact here.
Sight damaging.
90s.
Yeah. No man, not so long.
Not so long.
Or 2005.
Sight damaging speech and everything. The shot him get?
No, I normally talk loud. I saw him talk voice from you.
But the way I speak now, I same always talk?
Like in a well clear?
Yeah.
No. It's kind of more fumbling. Yeah.
But that's what I say, if I since him get the gunshot at that cause it.
Might be. Well, I hate that cause it.
The damage to the down his car or something. Patrick?
He go through so much accident. It affect him in an old age, you know?
Patrick, how much?
I was 60, I don't know. I didn't have fuse and know exactly. I'm 60 something.
What year am I?
I don't remember what I mean.
Yeah, remember.
I'm 60 something.
ID.
Yeah, I have an old ID.
What's the ID of the city here in Barnum? Yeah.
Alright then, you're Patrick?
Yeah, take care.
Alright then.
Him all on him. You're a fan of all on him.
Yeah, him my older brother.
I must say my 84 now, no.
Him not
reach so much.
Him in his 70s. But as I'm sure you, him a mix up everything.
Alright then, come in. Alright, Orlando, big up yourself, yeah? Alright, Patrick. Yeah.
Patrick, dance, big up, lad.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Take care of his son.
Alright then, take care.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so the journey.
Yeah, man.
Start jewelry.
Yeah, man.
Alright then, look come here.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so you know after that, you know the thing goes already. So we're going through the towns. It was downtown, Orange Street, then went to Trench Town, then we come to Spanish Town, then we're gonna go up half Garden Town Road, which is heading into Marmor River to see the Cranberry family also as well too, you know. So you know, we got some stuff to go and give them as well too. So the journey never stops, you know, it continues. So blessed love to all, blessed love to all.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.